Umaga po sa inyo muli.
Maganda umaga po sa inyo.
Good morning.
Sendolo Roller na yung anti-trafficking law ba hindi gumagana at kailangan nating palakasin pa?
Minsan po, nahihirapan po ang mga prosecutors mag-charge po ng trafficking dahil hindi pala nila alam na meron batas na ganon at minsan kala lang nila illegal recruitment at minsan po ay hindi na isasama sa kaso yung mga nag-facilitate ng pagbenta ng mga bata at babae.
So iba yung illegal recruitment sa anti-trafficking, ano po?
Magkaiba yun.
At mas ibang parusa niya.
No, Lauren, that's together because once you allow illegal recruitment, that's how they get. That is how they are able to conduct human trafficking, di ba?
Yes, tama po 'yon. Actually, ang pag-recruit yan nagsimula ang trafficking dahil hindi man pwedeng dalhin sa ibang bansa kung hindi na illegally recruit.
You know, Lauren, you should get together with Ashton Kutcher, who is very handsome, and is married to Demi Moore, who is, wow, you should see her legs. I saw her legs in the United Nations. Wow. Wait, Lauren, wait. I'm not thinking straight again. I'm thinking of Shalani Soledad. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm serious now. I attended a seminar conducted by the United Nations, and Ashton Kutcher was there with Demi Moore. You know what he did on human trafficking, huh? One is he raised more money than the United Nations. Number two, he was so eloquent because he said, my God, we're talking about a 3-year-old girl who is being used by Indian workers and her intestines are already hanging out of her genitals. That's what animals they are. Tapos sabi niya, he went to all the major internet service providers. Bezos, Gates, you name it. Then he said to them, you will put inside your machines, inside your program, everyone who opens a child porn site and his computer has a camera, that camera will automatically take his picture, and that picture of him making laway as he looks at the girls and the boys in the child porn site, that will immediately go to the World Wide Web.
Napakagandang kung kayang magawa yan. Is that
alam mo, you know what? Sabi niya, of course, there is questions of freedom of speech, privacy, etc. But he looked at them and he said, if any of you disagrees with my idea, I will go out. And I am Ashton Kutcher. My website has 20 million hits a day. And I will say that you, Bill Gates, love to look at child porn. Ang takot nila lahat.
Ang ganda niyan.
That's how to treat them.
Yes. Teddy, ako hindi techie, pero gusto ko lang malaman, meron bang teknolohiya na magpapakita kung sino ang nanonood sa mga...
Yes, it can be done. It can be done. It can be done. As long as it has a camera, the minute you open pornography, lalabas sa mukha mo, naglalaway ka, and then you are in the World Wide Web.
Isama na kagad yan doon sa revisions to the anti-human trafficking law.
Napakagandang ehemplo niyan at kung kaya technologically ay dapat gawin ka agad yan. Yes, actually,
they will appreciate it if you get in touch with him and his wife and Demi Moore. Wow, you will be a champion worldwide.
Totoo yun.
The next time besides you're very pretty, so you belong in that company.
At Filipino children are victims of this.
Oh, yes, malaking bagay.
Una, salamat sa impormasyon na yan at dapat talaga i-connect po natin yung child pornography sa internet. Pangalawa, yung illegal recruitment na nalaganap sa atin. At pangatlo, yung pagbebenta nga. Kasi ang kulang po sa atin talaga yung implementasyon ng batas dahil meron po tayong AYACAT, yung Interagency Council Against Trafficking.
You know what, Lauren, you know what else he did? He then went to Scandinavia, and he was able to pass the new Scandinavian law. Any prostitute who is arrested is immediately released with an apology. Her name is kept secret. She is given total anonymity, and only her customer is arrested, charged, and then his face is put in the newspaper and the internet on the World Wide Web.
Ganyan ang batas sa Scandinavia.
Ang ganda.
Wow, kung meron tayong political will na makapasa ng ganyang batas.
No, may political will kasi you will stand up and say, anybody who is against this law, please raise your hand.
Maganda.
Cameras.
Teddy,
Ito, child pornographer ito.
Kong Teddy, baka pwede ka naman maging consultant ng komite natin.
Of course.
Ay nako, no, but you
Kong
need
Teddy.
you need a technical person and a good cameraman so that when the vote comes, you ask for what is the rule? You ask for not viva voce.
Nominal voting.
No,
Nominal
voting.
voting. So they will stand up pag sabi nila I vote no, picture. Tapos
Ipiprint sa
Web.
web.
and you know what? Just
Popost mo sa web,
kasi mga colleague namin yan, wag mo sabihin naman, whoremonger. Sabihin mo na lang, John. They are called Johns pala eh.
Ganun ba?
Mga customers are called Johns.
Johns, the
So,
Johns, yeah.
Senator John, this.
Ayun.
Congressman John, this.
Hindi, kaya tama yung
John
panukala niyo, ni Senadora Loren, napalakasin talaga. Ano po nakikita niyong flaws po doon sa ating batas po,
Sa
Senadora,
ngayon,
doon sa anti-trafficking law natin?
Una yung confusion between pagbebenta, pangangalakal o yung tinatawag natin trafficking at saka yung illegal recruitment. Hindi po nila fina-file yung kaso against trafficking dahil akala nila recruitment po yan dahil hindi po nila alam na merong batas. So, kailangan i-connect po natin yan sa illegal recruitment. Pangalawa, yung mga nagpa-facilitate, yung mga tumutulong po ay hindi na isasampahan ng kaso.
Hindi na isasama.
Oo, kung yung kanilang pag-recruit eventually leads to traffic persons, ay hindi po isasama yan and that has to be included as well.
Senadora Loren, ano po ang gusto niyo pong maging distinction po o kakaibahan po ng trafficking doon sa illegal recruitment na gusto niyong palakasin sa inyong amendment sa batas na to?
Kasi po ang recruitment ay illegal pag kulang yung
wala pong permit, wala pong lisensya.
Pagdating o lang lisensya o pagpunta po doon ay
iba po ang
hindi
bibigay
pala
ng trabaho o iba.
Oo, ganun. Pero yung traffic, yung parang naging slave or ginamit sa sex
Sexual, ano?
o may forced labor or under yung bata ay inabuso, iba po yun. Kaya lang nga po ay hindi maliwanag yung distinction, kaya kailangan yun ay ipaliwanag at i-connect po sa illegal
So ito po,
recruitment.
Senadora Loren, yun sa inyong panukala, palalakasin ninyo at talagang lilinawin ninyo yung distinction ng
Opo.
trafficking as against...
Actually, nasa stage pa lang po kami sa floor pa lang po inihain, kaya mahaba po ang dadaanan nito. Kaya lahat po ng mga suggestions para palakasin ay pwede po pong amendahan.
Kaya pwede talagang makakonect kay Aston Kutcher tsaka kay Denny.
Hindi, dapat.
Pwede.
And you know, by the way, during that debate, you can see siguro guilty. The Russian ambassador to the United Nations, who was the one chairing it, kept saying, but there are different cultures. Some cultures...
Ganon?
Wow!
Halata.
Russian culture looked at him. I know what it's like in Russia. I know you sell children. Shut up siya. Anong sasabihin niya? Don't give me different culture. A 3-year-old girl with her intestines hanging out is a 3-year-old girl with her intestines hanging out.
Whether it's
regardless
Russian
of
or not.
culture.
Oo, nako.
So mahaba pa
But
pala
you know
itong...
what? Hindi mahaba ito.
Hindi, mahaba pa yung tatahakin itong
No. You stand up. Make your speech short. All those in favor of child pornography and child sex, please stand up. All those against it, please vote yes to this bill that none of you should even read and just approve.
Tama po
Because
kayo.
if not,
Alam nyo,
We will denounce you.
you shout, Loksin, camera!
Hindi, dapat nga siguro ganun nga.
Ganun talaga.
Anyway, may balang po tayo ng topic si Senadora Loren. Kamusta po yung naging meeting dito sa Democracy Icon si... ako hirap ang...
Aung San Suu Kyi.
Aung San Suu Kyi. Aung San Suu Kyi.
ito naman po ay isang private meeting lang po. At pero maganda po dahil kinamusta po natin ang kanyang pagka-release mula po noong Nobyembre. At sinabi naman po niya siya sa maayos na kalagayan at natuwa siya na binisita siya ng kanyang isang anak na lalaki pagkatapos po siyang mapalaya.
Galing magsalita, ano po? Nakita ko sa TV, ang galing magsalita nitong democracy icon ng...
Opo, magaling po magsalita at pinasalamatan niya si Pangulong Aquino sa pagtawag sa kanya pagkatapos siya ay napalaya.
But wait a minute. But did we do that at least? Because I know that we refused to attend the Nobel Prize ceremony that awarded the Nobel Peace Prize to a Chinese dissident.
Pero
did we stand up for Burmese freedom?
President Noynoy, in fact, bago pa siya ma-release, ang dami niyang kinausap at he publicly made a stand.
Oo. Tinawagan po siya ni Pangulong Aquino pagkatapos po siyang mapalaya at nagpasalamat po siya doon. Pero sinabi din po niya na sana ang ASEAN daw ay makatulong sa pagpatupad ng maayos na demokrasya sa kanyang bansa at magtutulungan bilang isang pamilya ng mga bansa sa ASEAN.
You know, Lauren, the one to thank there is Bert Romulo. He has
Yes.
always fought for Burmese freedom because, sa bureaucracy ng DFA, and you cannot blame them. They
They
do
are
not
always-
they do not like to anger a fellow ASEAN member. And
Yes.
so they support the dictatorship officially. But under Bert Romulo, you cannot stop him. He just keeps condemning them. But it's wow, that was really quite an honor for both of you to be together. Do you know that she used to write for us?
For
The Globe.
today.
For the Globe. I was her
For
editor
today.
for Globe.
Also.
Also Globe.
Oh,
And-
you should keep her writings then.
Oh no, yes, and then but I had to fire her because she was not sending her column for 3 weeks, and so I sent her an angry letter. Miss Suchi, you are given one more chance. If you do not send your column, we will
I'm
have
sorry.
to fire you. Silence. Turns out, yung pala, she would write a column, then she gives it to the Norwegian consul,
Oo.
and the consul then smuggles it out pala to us. And he was captured, and then he was tortured to death. Okay, I realized that, if you're tortured to death, that might be a little problem of delivery.
Acceptable yung iyong...
But she stayed fired.
So, kamusta naman po siya? Healthy?
Okay ba ho siya?
Ano pong
maganda
state
po
of mind niya?
Maganda pong kalagayan. Napakamalumanay na tao, but in her gentleness, you can feel her strength. At nakakabilib ang isang taong 20 taon na sa bahay, naka-house arrest na who is in a good condition after the release. So it's really something. She's really something to
She's
admire.
a beautiful woman.
Beautiful woman, yes.
Professor ka mo, Ted, sana?
Oxford.
Sa Oxford.
Napakamahinhin, napakagaling magsalita, napakaliwanag ng pag-iisip.
Wow, what an icon. My
Yes.
God.
Beautiful person.
Senadora Lauren, maraming salamat po.
Lauren,
sa inyo.
Lauren,
Magandang umaga.
Lauren,
Thank
don't
you.
forget, get together with Demi Moore, Ashton Kutcher. You all belong together because one, your cause is the same. Two, is you're all good looking.
Oh,
Salamat. At
we are going to
hingi
get
po
together
tayo
first.
ng hingi po tayo ng magandang advice kay Congressman Teddy.
Hindi.
Salamat po.
Na yung
Di ba,
mga ibang public official na hindi maganda pa rin sa inyo, wag na sila mag-join kahit na they believe in the cause.
Hindi, pero...
Kasi baka
Pero Senadora, di ba, ang unang get-together muna natin yung Carambola Group?
Opo, yes, of course. Before
okay.
Ashton and Demi.
very good.
Si Senadora Lauren, ex-future member ng Karambole, una namin inimbita yan.
Okay.
Senadora, maraming salamat
Good
po
morning
muli.
po.
Magandang
Salamat
umaga po.
Okay, well, from Wilma of Bulacan, this is